Hi, welcome back on the Rapair channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your LG K11. Yep, here gonna be a new battery. I just bought it, and we're gonna disassemble this phone to change the battery. And as you see, the back cover in my phone is a little bit pull it up on the back, so the battery is 100% faulty. So first of all, remove the SIM card tray. Now let's take a plastic tool and put it around the back cover here. Gently. Do this very gently. We need to start in the right place here. It's pretty hard to put my tool behind the cover. Oh, that was the sound which we can open it. As you see, to don't destroy anything, to avoid any cracks. The only thing we can destroy is this plastic tool. We can destroy it, but we can destroy the phone. It's not easiest phone which I ever make. Whoa. Okay, it wasn't been easy, seriously. But I'm done. Now we're gonna exchange the battery from the back, so we need to unscrew all the screws here. There are plenty of screws here, and all the screws we need to disassemble. Okay. Okay, this is the lift up operation. Release this flex here and pull up the battery. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. 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 Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not on this side. Not on this side. No, no, no. You can't pull this element in the right on the LCD because you can destroy the LCD. Okay, maybe we're gonna try with finger now. No, it's a little bit too fast. Pull up. Oh, pull up. Okay, this is the in Polish same in dźwignia, so it's been a little bit harder. Now I need to have a hair dryer here for the help. Did you have the hair dryer here in your home? If yes, put your hand up. Okay, now it should be much easier. Oh yeah, that's it, baby. Ooh. Okay, So now install the new battery here. New fresh battery in the hot and warm phone. If the flex is good. Okay. Okay. We can put this cover here. This frame, this plastic frame, it's not a cover, but a cover of the mainboard. Let's try it. It works. Yes, it's working. So we now assembly all the screws on the back, and it's gonna be end for the service. I'm changing the battery. Of course, you can change many of components here by doing this operation. Motherboard, camera, LCD of course too, and digitizer if you have some faulted. But in my case, I only change the battery here. You know, it simply works like Lego. You can lift up any of elements from the phone, easily buy it somewhere. No. Come on, lady. Okay. Something strange. Everything is fine, but every screws are same. I don't know. Okay, so one is missing. Did you see the last hole? Where is Wally? Where is Wally? Yeah, next to the camera here. That's it. Here is Wally. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna just end the spectacle here. Let's fix it. Okay, it's looking good. Be sure to spare this volume up and down. Maybe let's try from this side. Okay, it's working. Let's try with it is okay. Okay. Remember to put it your SIM card tries here into your phone, and that's it. As you see, phone is working, dual battery is crap, totally crap, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!